Hi everyone, so let's talk about the group of the people given the group size they belong to. So you're given an array and each value that represent the size of the group. So this represents size of 3, size of 3, size of 3, right? So index 0, 1, 2 can group together. So if there's another size of 3, you need to group another one because this is a size of 3 group. And let me draw the diagram really fast. So I'm going to say so size of 3, size of 3 group, size of 3, and this is my index. So I have 0, I have 1, I have 2, then I have 3, and then I have group size of 1, and then this index should be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5, and I missed a 4 right here, and then continue 6, right? So for the value, for every single group, this is 1. So only group 1 only have 5, and then group 3 has this value, and then you need to split the group to 2 groups, and this is pretty much it, right? And then you can use the hash map, and then key is going to be integer, and then value is going to be list of integer, and then basically this is a solution. So let me start coding and then you'll be able to understand. So my return value is going to be list of list and it's an integer, right? So I'm going to call results and array list return result, right? And then again I said hash map integer and then list of integer, right? Map equal to new hash map. So I will store every single index into my value, the map value, right? So I need to traverse the group size array, and then I need to find out what is the current value for the group size I. So I need a temporary list. So when I traverse every single map, I will get a temporary list based on the hash map. So list of integer, and I'm going to say temp equal to new array list. So I'm going to check if my map contains the value. If map contains the value, so if there's a list that is already generating the map, I'm going to assign my temp equal to map get val, right? I get a list and I will add map the value, the index, right, at I, and then I need to put my list of integer back to the map, right? So map put about at 10, right? And I also need to check if my current size of the list is actually the value of the list, right? So for example, I'm going to traverse from the beginning to the end. So right now I know the size of 3, there's only 1, but for the value, this is size of 1 right now, and then I need to just keep traversing. This should be the index 0. So index 0, index 1, and then the size of the value for the map is actually 2, and then I need to traversing again, which is index 2. Then size of the value for the list is actually 3. Then I know this is the size of 3, which is equal to the value itself. Then I need to just add to the list of lists. So this is super simple. So I'm going to say if the val is actually equal to temp.size, I'm going to say list result.add the temp. And then I need to, since I already used all of the value inside my map, I can just remove the val, right? And then this is pretty much it. So let me run it. All right, so I have a type of contents key. And let me submit. All right, so let's talk about time and space. So this is going to be a space. So it's going to be all of them for a worst case. So every single one of them has to add into a list and a map, right? So that's all of them. And for the time, this is going to be all of n as well, because for every single index in the array, you need to traverse so you can group together. So this is all of n. And for the contents key, this is all of 1. For the add, remove, this is all of 1. And you are not removing the list, right? So this is all of 1 for the adding. And this is the solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.